They mess up and we pay. The Hertz case. Hertz AI doesn't care who you are, and it doesn't bother to tell the difference between real damage and imaginary scratches. Since April 2025, the company has been rolling out intelligent scanners in its parking lots, selling them as breakthrough for quick, impartial inspection of rental cars. In theory, fewer disputes and more transparency. In practice, a machine that snaps every tiny imperfection and turns it into an expensive bill. One customer was charged $440 for 1-inch scuff on a wheel. Anyone trying to dispute the charge faces automated chatbots, opaque procedures, and wait times up to 10 days for an email response. Meanwhile, your credit card is already under siege. On forums and Reddit, dozens of similar stories circulate. Automatic non-contestable charges is the most common phrase. Some customers say they are done with Hertz for good. And it's not just Hertz. 60 also uses a similar system called CarGate. There too, glaring errors pop up. Photos with incorrect timestamps showing the damage was there before the rental even started. In this context, the promise of a greater transparency flips on its head. It becomes an aggressive mechanism that seems designed more to cash in than to ensure fairness. Here, AI isn't helping anyone. It's replacing common sense with a cash register mindset. And when the machine gets it wrong, it's not the one paying, we are.